Yo, are you sick and tired of buying charge cable after charge cable, with them all tangling up and running faulty after a few weeks? No. Eh? Nah, I'm only messing. Of course I am. Well, check these little bad boys out then. Because these are the unique MagCables. They have a wonderful tangle-free, clutter-free design that will enable you to simply roll up the cable just like so and simply chuck it into your laptop bag or handbag. Yes, it is indeed a magnetic coiled cable. Not only that, it's durable, it's fantastically secure when it's plugged into your mobile phone, it has a flammable high temperature resistance with many different connections to choose from. But today we have a Type-C to Type-C cable and a Type-C to Type-A cable. Both have done a fantastically swell job over the past few months, swiftly charging up my mobile devices, and I just think that they are a really good, convenient, elegant cable that I'm sure it'd be very much suited when you're pulling it out of, say, a designer handbag like this one here. Ooh, you're posh. But no, this cable's for anyone really. So go over right now to the MagTame website and check out many of the varieties that they've got. A link will be provided in the video description down below for you guys to check out. But most importantly, why don't you like this video just now? Or even share this video? Sharing's caring after all. But most importantly, hey, subscribe will you, because we need all of the support. Bearing in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our future uploads. Now this has been a real quick overview video today, but stay tuned to our in-depth reviews coming real soon. Peace. Oh, hang on a minute, not peace. Check these videos out here. Click one if you want. Oh no, maybe this other one here. Nice one. Cheers. See you later. Ta-da.